Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to earn your first 5,000 Robux for free in Roblox. So let's get into it. In my opinion, selling clothes is the best way to start earning Robux. So first what you want to do is open up a browser, then search Roblox shirt template. Then click on images and download this image. The second one you see, this is a transparent template that will allow you to edit. Then head over to a photo editing software. It can be any photo editing software. Doesn't really matter which one you use. I am using one called Pixlr. I will leave the link of it in the description. It's free to use. Once you have everything ready, just start creating a shirt. Let me create one to show it to you guys. Okay, once you are happy with your template, click on this blue icon and save your work. Now, before you actually upload your work, you can check how your shirt looks. So let me show you how you can do that. So first, go to Roblox Creators Hub. Then click on Creations. Then click on Development Items. Then on Decals. And now upload the template you have created here. As you can see, I have done mine already. Once you have uploaded the template, click on these three dots and copy the asset ID. For the next part you will need Roblox Studio. So download it if you don't have it already. Once you are in the Roblox Studio, click on Baseplate and wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded, click on Avatar, then Rig Builder, and then click on My Avatar. What this will do is that it will spawn your current avatar in here. Adjust it if you want. Then select your avatar, and on the right hand side, click on this down arrow. And click on shirt. And then down here paste the link that you have copied. Let me do it to show it to you guys. As you can see now it's letting me see my shirt. You can move around to check all the sides. You can also remove some of your items to see some parts of the shirt. Okay, so once you are happy with your shirt, go back to the Creators Hub. Then click on Creations. Then click on Avatar Items. Then Classic. And then click on Classic Shirts. Once you are here, just click on this and upload your shirt template. Once you have your template, and a name, and a good description, click on upload and upload your shirt for 10 Robux. If you don't have 10 Robux to upload, then don't worry, watch till the end. Okay, so to put your shirt for sale, you need to go back to that place. And you will see your shirt in here. Once you see it, click on this three dots. And click on Open in New tab. And then click on this three dots and click on Configure. Then put it on sale and put a price. I will just put 5 because that's the average price for a shirt. Once you are done, click Publish Item. And there you have it guys, you have published your first shirt. Now if you don't have 10 Robux to upload a shirt, what you can do is that you can play donation games like Please Donate, where you can donate to people and get donated by people by claiming a boot. Getting 10 Robux is not that hard here, because there are a lot of active players here. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please like and subscribe. Every click means a lot to me. And one more thing, if you guys want to create pants, do the same thing and just change the template. And remember, this method does take a bit of time. But if your clothes are good clothes, then you will earn a lot of Robux for sure. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.